Join me as I try to see how many Teslas I can spot coming off the line in just 1 hour at the world's biggest factory. Tesla's Gigafactory is a game changer in the automotive industry, covering an area of over 3.6 million square feet. It's massive. This factory is not just big in size, but also in its impact, helping Tesla produce electric vehicles at an unprecedented rate. Scaling up production to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles was a huge challenge for Tesla. They had to overcome numerous obstacles, from supply chain issues to manufacturing bottlenecks. The Gigafactory was built to address these issues, with a focus on increasing efficiency and reducing production costs. By having everything under one roof, Tesla can better manage its supply chain and streamline production. This strategic move has allowed Tesla to significantly ramp up its production capabilities. The Gigafactory leverages cutting-edge technology to achieve its impressive production rates. Automation plays a crucial role, with robots and machines working alongside human workers to assemble vehicles. The workforce at the Gigafactory is dynamic, with employees from various backgrounds contributing to the manufacturing process. Tesla also prioritizes sustainability, using renewable energy sources to power the factory and implementing environmentally friendly production practices. These efforts not only reduce the factory's carbon footprint but also contribute to the overall sustainability of Tesla's electric vehicles. Let's take a closer look at the production line in action. Tesla's production process is incredibly efficient, with cars moving swiftly along the assembly line. The factory operates around the clock, with workers and machines working in harmony to produce a staggering number of vehicles. It's not uncommon to see a Tesla car being produced every 40 seconds, which is a testament to the factory's impressive production capabilities. This level of efficiency allows Tesla to meet the high demand for its electric vehicles. As we watch the production line, it's clear that Tesla has mastered the art of mass-producing high-quality electric vehicles. In summary, Tesla's innovative production strategies are revolutionizing the automotive industry. The Gigafactory is a prime example of how technology, automation, and sustainability can come together to produce high-quality electric vehicles at an unprecedented rate. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Tesla's production methods, so be sure to comment below. If you're interested in more videos like this, such as a tour of Tesla's battery production or insights into their autonomous driving technology, let us know, and we'll do our best to make it happen.